Today is part two of a come shopping with me at some estate sales. I recently went to three on a weekend. I already showed one of them in part one of this little series. And so today I'm taking you to two more estate sales. So come join me as I look through all these amazing vintage finds, both home and fashion, and stay to the end because I'm going to show you everything that I got all styled up. Hi, I'm Janine. Thrifting and shopping secondhand has been a part of my life for the last 15 years, and I've been able to curate the wardrobe of my dreams over the years, as well as decorate my home by shopping at thrift stores, garage sales, consignment shops, the Goodwill outlet, and Facebook Marketplace. If you like secondhand outfit inspiration, upcycling, thrift flips, and home decor ideas, just keep watching to see Jane Thrift. Made it to the second sale. We're just having to walk a little ways. Parking is not the best at this one. Like, is this lava rock?
That one is.
Interesting.
Volcanic. I don't know what those are.
Those are neat, like stone planters. Little pumpkins. That's a cool piece. Oh, I'm gonna look at the jewelry first.
Yeah, but I think my husband will get it welded. Yeah.
Yeah, if he can do that, it'll be fine, but
Okay.
this one here seems to be a little locked up.
Yeah.
Little overwhelming, all of this. That's cute. Wait a minute.
Yeah, but it's.
How cute. $6. That is adorable. Okay, I need that piece. Wow. Neat terracotta piece. So cool wood piece too. Let's see, how much was that? $5. I really like that.
The little lady that she carried the trash can out for, she bought that vintage pocket silence. And this goes with it.
She may come back tomorrow.
Cool.
I taught the little lady with the little bullet Tuesday.
Love this little strawberry set. That is so adorable. Look at the teacups that are like tulips. So cute. A little bit of clothing. It's a cute Chico's piece. I see something fringy. like a shawl. Let's see, what does this say here? Difficult to do with one hand. 100% cotton. I'm going to take a look at that outside of here. Fresh produce. A little tight in here.
Yeah, gotta try it.
Janine!
Hello. To give you a little context of what's happening here, a local subscriber recognized me and she had just messaged me on Instagram to let me know about this estate sale that I was already at. And she had picked out a few items for me because she knew what I liked. It was so great to meet her in person.
Just for you.
Okay, well, thank you.
I have no idea.
That is
if
so
that's really
cute.
you, but
No, I love it. This really reminds me of something that I just saw on the Spell website. And I know this is very vintage. I remember my mother wearing something like this when I was younger. And I love the fact that it's cotton. That's cute. Okay, and now for the piece that Shelly found me. I don't see any tags in it, but this is really cute. This is stunning. Great work, Shelly. Thank you so much. Okay, Shelly is shopping for me at the estate sale and found me this pillow cover.
It's the hunt.
I mean, really,
It's fun. I think it is.
$6.
But like you said, if you
I
can't go to the
cannot pass this up. Well, that was an amazing estate sale too. Wow, I love all the jewelry pieces, and it was fantastic meeting you, Shelly. It is the next day, and I have one more estate sale to go to. It has been super crowded in here, so I haven't been able to take much footage, but really, really cute vintage pieces. I have found some linens and a crochet piece I will have to show you later. Okay, it was just way too crazy to film in there, so I got these two linen pieces. This one has a kind of a cameo embroidery on it, has two, I think probably tea towels or napkins, and then it came with a runner with this beautiful crochet lace trim. And then I got this piece, which I'm not sure what this is. I'm sure it's probably a tablecloth. I just loved the vintage floral on it, and I already have a plan for this piece. Well, those were some incredible estate sales. I hope that you're enjoying following along with me, like you're shopping with me. That's what I want this experience to be like. And I absolutely loved that I ran into Shelly, one of the ladies that subscribes to me that happens to live in the same town. It was great. I love chatting with her on social media, and that she knows my style so well. She has impeccable style as well. I am going to turn this lace trimmed table runner into a handbag. And by using this woven bag that I thrifted, using my craft scissors, I went ahead and removed the handles from the woven bag. I simply hot glued the runner to the edges. The sizing could not have been more perfect. When I flipped it over to the back, I just continued gluing, allowing the excess of the table runner to loosely drape back over the front, creating a front flap to cover the bag. For a handle, I glued on this thrifted tassel drapery tie back to the sides, and I love how the tassel is able to really show with the bag's shape. Now I have a great way to utilize this table runner. Now that I have this embroidered linen at home, I realize that the two pieces used to be one small table runner, and the original owner had cut it and turned one portion into a tea towel with stitches and ribbon to hang it. I'm going to turn the smaller piece into a necklace now, and I just set the other piece aside for a future upcycle. I first placed the linen on top of some tan felt and pinned it all around the three sections I wanted to utilize in the necklace: this center cameo and the two trailing florals on the sides. I then stitched around each of the three sections on my sewing machine in the shapes I wanted. I then trimmed the felt backed linen close to the stitch line for my three necklace parts. Using a punch tool, I created two holes on each piece to have a way to attach them together. Utilizing my jewelry making pliers, I used two jump rings to attach the three pieces together and two more for the ends that will go to some chain. I had this chain in my stash and thought it would pair nicely with the style of necklace, so I attached two lengths of it to the floral sections of the linen. A lobster claw and jump ring to the ends of the chain were the final step to creating this one-of-a-kind necklace. So now I get to show you everything that I got all styled up. The cherry brooch I got for $6, and I ended up for its first wear pinning it to a thrifted green shirt where I think it just shined. This turned into a very whimsical, eclectic look with the graphic tee, wide leg distressed jeans, snake print boots, and colorful crochet bag. This casual outfit just screams fun to me. And I love how the red pops off the green and also how it ties into the red in the bag. The vintage wood necklace I got for $5, and I love how chunky it is and also the variety of wood tones in it. The combination of the angular shapes and the beads are so appealing, and the bohemian nature just speaks to me. The burnout velvet kimono I got for $8, and the colors on this are just stunning. The greens, yellows, and reds are a welcome departure from the very dark tones that I typically see in pieces like this. I actually don't think I realized that the bottom fringe had beads on it when I first got it. For its first wear, I paired it with a graphic tee and some slim straight distressed jeans for a funky boho look. The wood necklace feels right at home alongside the kimono too. I finished it off with a leather crossbody bag that I attached a scarf to and some leopard print flats and also a chunky beaded bracelet. The lace shawl I got for $4, and it is from the brand California Things. From my initial research, this shawl is from the 1970s, which means she's just feeling right at home with me. I love how you can wear this open and also tie it up in the front for a fun new look. I'm wearing this first in a very casual way with a white lace peplum tank top and some flare leg jeans that I added a print to, some platform sneakers, and a trucker hat loaded with fun sparkly pins bring a funky touch to the lace tops. The Made in India pillow cover that I got for $6 was just asking to be placed in my home. I placed it over a pillow I already had here in my den as a floor cushion. The variety of colors is just everything that I love, and paired with the stitch work and beading, This pillow cover is a dream come true for me. I love how it blends in seamlessly with my existing decor, and now I get to enjoy it every day when I go into the den to relax. The vintage lace trimmed table runner is now living its best life as a handbag that I truly adore. The feminine boho feel with the color, lace, and tassels look so good in this oversized shape. I paired it with a white eyelet lace dress and a floral jacket that I upcycled by adding appliques to, including this large bunny on the back. This look is my favorite out of this bunch and would love to hear which one is your favorite. With the addition of a brown hat, tassel necklace, and cream boots, this eclectic boho outfit reminds me of one of my favorite designers. The vintage embroidered linen turned necklace was $5, and that's including the table runner you just saw as a handbag. I love how this necklace is adding a collar to pretty much anything I wear it with. The oversized cameo is so whimsical and fun. I wore it with this blue print t-shirt and white distressed jeans. This casual look still has some flair with the addition of a jute headband, basket handbag with a pink scarf tied on, charm bracelet, and raffia block-heeled sandals. I love how I was able to incorporate all of these vintage pieces into my wardrobe and have them look fresh and blend in seamlessly with my personal style. Hi, this is Janine from a future video. You're going to be seeing this, but I wanted to share that I did get this vintage tablecloth. You will be seeing this in a future video. I'm going to be doing a DIY with what is behind me, so be sure to subscribe so you can see what I'm working on. Well, that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed this little two-part series of estate sale shopping. I really love going to these because this is a very unique shopping experience. You're just never going to find things like this anywhere else. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I would love to have you subscribe and join our thrifting family here and go on all of our little adventures. I love everything secondhand and thrifted, and I hope that y'all do too and can find something that you can relate with. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.